What was that one again?
He's racing. He's drifting.
Oh! Come on, brother. Whoa. Whoa, brother. So I'm gonna put some things on the road, and I have to try to get past them, okay? Tell me if I do.
Oops, missed. Oops. Missed. Now you have to get past my stuff without even touching you. Aha! Coco!
Super guns! Boom, 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 boom.
You lose. You touched everyone.
Now Eric has to try to get past mine. Okay? Watch this.
I'll get him past him.
No, I will.
No, I will.
No, I will.
Because you made him, and I'm supposed to get past him.
But I'm supposed to get past. But I'm supposed to